Thanks for watching this video on the Ultimate Ears UE Wonderboom. I'm doing a video review on it and also just a brief how-to setup guide. And so here is the box right here. Like I said, it's the UE Wonderboom and it is from Ultimate Ears. There is another model out there that's going to be similar. It's called the Roll 2 Volcano. They're both similarly priced, comparable. A few differences that I'll try to outline here, but just real quickly I'll go through the specs. On the UE Wonderboom, it floats. The Volcano, which I did not purchase, does not float. Both the UE Wonderboom and the UE Volcano are IPX7 rated. And what that means is they can be in water for 30 minutes up to a meter deep. Good news with this one is it's not going to go below a meter because it floats. So that is a helpful feature. The other thing I really like about this speaker is it's 360 degrees, and when you put one of these speakers, you turn it up about halfway, it's going to sound like your iPhone on max. If you get two speakers, which that's the max that you can pair, if you get two speakers, it fills the room with sound, and I'd say at about a third volume, that's going to be like a full iPhone, and it's just going to sound way nicer with a nice rich bass. So the other thing is this has, I should mention the Volcano, I think you can connect up to 8 speakers. And there's an app to control, so it's a bit more of a adaptable or an upgradable system. But if you're just looking for 2 speakers, this one is a nice feature. Like I said, there's no app, so it's almost just simple. Keep it simple, and this definitely achieves that. Some other things that you should know about it is it's got a 10-hour lithium-ion battery. The Volcano is similar at 9 hours. It takes about 2.8 hours to recharge a battery. You can leave it plugged in all the time if you want. Otherwise, like I said, you got 10 hours of battery time. The next thing is, with this one, it is something that you can connect with the Echo Dot and Alexa. It is compatible, so if you want a smart system, you can do that. This, right now, as it stands, this speaker and the Volcano as well, are only Bluetooth speakers. So there's no Wi-Fi needed. It is all Bluetooth. It has a 100-foot range, which is an upgrade over some prior Ultimate Electronics UE Boom. I think the original UE Boom was 50 feet. And the original Roll was 50 feet as well. So this is 100 feet. The Roll 2 Volcano is also 100 feet. So pretty much anywhere in your house, you should have connectivity. And I think that's pretty much all the high points. What I'm going to do is, in the second half of the video, I'm just going to give you a brief demonstration of connecting the speaker to my phone, and then also pairing, or I guess they call it doubling up, and having both speakers connected at the same time. So stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot. Okay, so here we are. We are going to set up your UE Wonderboom, and we're going to double it up. So first thing you want to do is you're going to want to turn it on. So the power button's right there. You just hold that for about a second, and that one's on. And then what you're going to want to do is just pair one first, and then you can add the other speaker. So to pair, you've got your phone here, you've got your Bluetooth menu, and all you do is you're going to hold this for about 2 seconds until you hear this sound. And the light will flash. And we will see the Wonderboom. So we'll click that. And it's connected. So it was just like that. You've got one speaker connected. And I'm just going to show you... well, I guess we can just connect the other one too quick. So in order to connect the other one, all you got to do is turn it on here. And so we've done that. And then what you're going to want to do to connect both is, I'm going to do this holding an iPhone. So we're going to hold this right in the middle. This is a button, even though it doesn't seem like a button. You just hold those both down for about 3 seconds together. And now they're both flashing. And you got to give it about 5 seconds. And so what they're doing right now is they're just pairing up, or doubling up if you want to call it. So you can see that one's on, and now we got that sound. They are both connected. And so now it's as easy as playing your music. So I'm just going to pull up some music. So we'll play some music from... Here we go. So you get to hear kind of the sound. We're at halfway right there. And when you move these out in your room, it has a nice full sound. Turn it down so you can hear, but a couple other things that are cool is if you push this button right here, it pauses it. If you push it again, it starts it up. Otherwise, you can use your phone to control it as well. Just like that. If you want to control the volume, it's the plus and minus. Those are buttons as well. And then finally, if you want to go to the next song, just tap this twice fast. So that just moved it to the next song. So it's a pretty sweet system. And there is no app, but sometimes beauty is in simplicity. And so these Ultimate Ears, the UE Wonderboom, is definitely that. And I would highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Hey, just wanted to add one quick tip. The charging cable is hiding in the packaging. Don't want you to throw it out. So you want to lift up this flap, and it's right in there. There it is. So there you go.